हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम पंचमोरा। वेलकम टू एडुफ्री यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम लोग पढ़ाई करेंगे यूपीएससी सिविल सर्विस प्रिलिमिनरी एग्जामिनेशन 2020 का क्वेश्चन को क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर डिस्कस करेंगे। सो फ्रेंड्स, लास्ट वीडियो में वी हैव डिस्कस क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 20 इन द लास्ट वीडियो एंड आज हम पढ़ाई करेंगे 21 से आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 से 40 तक। सो फ्रेंड्स, विदाउट डिले लेट्स डिस्कस। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम लोग पढ़ाई करते हैं। फर्स्ट डेट मीन्स आज का है 21 क्वेश्चन। विथ रेफरेंस टू द हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडिया कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग पेयर्स। यहाँ पे आपका 1 है, औरंग इन चार्ज of treasury of the state. 2. Banyan, Indian agent of the East India Company. 3. Mirashidar, designated revenue payer to the state. Which of the pair given above is a correctly matched? Option A 1 and 2 only. Option B 2 and 3 only. Option C 3 only and D 1, 2 and 3. सो इसका जो आपका करेक्ट आंसर है वो आपका ऑप्शन 2 and 3, ऑप्शन 2 and 3 ओनली, ये आपका करेक्ट आंसर। दैट मीन्स बी, ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। ऑप्शन बी करेक्ट आंसर 2 and 3 ओनली, 2 and 3 ओनली। और ये जो आपका 1 है ये इनकरेक्ट है। औरंग ये आपका इंचार्ज ऑफ ट्रेजरी ऑफ स्टेट नहीं है, ये है आपका औरंग आपका वेयर हाउस और वर्कशॉप हम कह सकते हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम लिखते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 22, विथ रेफरेंस टू द रिलीजियस हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडिया consider the following statements. Statement 1, Stavira belongs to Mahayana Buddhism. 2. Lokotaravadin sect was an offshoot of Mahasangika sect of Buddhism. Statement 3, the deification of Buddha by Mahasangikas fostered the Mahayana Buddhism. Which of the statement given above is correct? Option A 1 and 2 only. Option B 2 and 3 only. Option C 3 only and option D 1, 2 and 3. So friends, 22 क्वेश्चंस का राइट आंसर है आपका ऑप्शन बी 2 and 3 ओनली, ऑप्शन बी 2 and 3 ओनली, 2 and 3 ये आपका राइट है। और ये जो 1 है ये आपका इनकरेक्ट है। ये आपका स्तविरावादीन्स बिलोंग्स टू महायान नहीं है, ये आपका हीनयान है, हीनयान। ये आपका महायान नहीं है, ये आपका हीनयान है, हीनयान, HINYAN, हीनयान। So friends, we move to next question. क्वेश्चन नंबर 23 देखते हैं. Which of the following statements correctly explain the impact of Industrial Revolution on India during the first half of the 19th century? Statement 1. Indian handicrafts were ruined. To B. Statement B. Machines were introduced in the Indian textile industry in large number. Railway lines were laid in many parts of the country. D. Heavy duties were imposed on the imports of British manufacture. So friends, here the correct answer is option A. Indian handicrafts were ruined. Now we move to next question. Question number 24. Consider the following statements in the history of India. A. Rise of Pratiharas under King Bhoja. B. 2. Establishment of Pallava power under Mahendra Barman I. 3. Establishment of Chola power by Pratanka I. 4. Pala dynasty founded by Gopala. What is the correct chronological order of the above event starting from the earliest time? आपको क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में इसको अरेंज करना है. ऑप्शन ए 2143, ऑप्शन बी 3142, ऑप्शन सी 2413 एंड ऑप्शन डी 3412. So friends, the right answer of this question is option C. Option C 2, 4, 1 and 3 only. This is the right answer. Next we move to the next question. Question number 25. Which of the following phrases define the nature of the hundi generally referred to in the source of the post हर्ष period? 4 स्टेटमेंट है यहाँ पे. ए. An advisory issued by the king of his subordinates. B. A diary to be maintained for daily accounts. C. A bill of exchange. D. An order from the feudal lord to his subordinates. So friends, here the correct answer is C. A bill of exchange. A bill of exchange. So we move to the next question. Question number 26 पढ़ते हैं. With reference to the book Desar Katha written by Sakharam Ganesh Devskar during the freedom struggle, consider the following statements. Statement 1. It warns against the colonial states' hypnotic conquest of the mind. 2. It inspired the performance of Sodesi street plays and folk songs. 3. The use of days by Devskar was in the specific context of the region of Bengal. Which of the given, which of the statement given above are correct? Option 1, 1 and 2 only, option B, 2 and 3 only, option C, 1 and 3 only, and option D, 1, 2 and 3. So friends, इसका करेक्ट आंसर देखते हैं. सो इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो आपके D, 1, 2 and 3 only. This is the correct answer here, option D. So friends, we move to the next question. Question number 27. The Gandhi Irwin Pact included which of the following? Statement 1, invitation to Congress to participate in the Roundtable Conference. Statement 2, withdrawal of ordinance promulgated in connection with the civil disobedience movement. Statement 3, acceptance of Gandhi's suggestion for inquiry into police excess. 4, release of only those persons who were not charged with violence. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option 1, only, option A, only 1, option B, 2, 1, 2 and 4 only, C, 3 only, and D, 2, 3 and 4 only. So the right answer of this question is option B, 1, 2 and 4 only. Option B, 1, 2 and 4 only. This is the right answer. 1, 2 and 4 only. Now we move to the next question. क्वेश्चन नंबर 28. ये हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे हैं सेट बी क्वेश्चन पेपर का जो सेट है वो, सॉरी, क्वेश्चन पेपर सेट ए डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं हम लोग. 28, द वाइटल विध्वंसक द वाइटल विध्वंसक, the first monthly journal to have the untouchable people as its target audience, was published by. There is 4 statement. A, Gopal Baba Walankar, B, Jyotiba Phule, C, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and D, Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. So here the correct answer is A, Gopal Baba Walankar. इस क्वेश्चन का आपका करेक्ट आंसर है ए, गोपाल बाबा वलंकर. सो फ्रेंड्स, वी मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 29. Question number 29. With reference to the history of India, the term Koila Bappa and Drona Bappa denotes A, measurement of land, B, coins of different monetary value, C, classification of urban land, and D, religious rituals. So friends, यहाँ जो आपका करेक्ट आंसर है वो आपका मेजरमेंट ऑफ लैंड. दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. नाउ वी मूव टू दी, ये आपका गुप्ता डायनेस्टी से पूछे गए हैं. गुप्ता डायनेस्टी का आपका क्वेश्चन है. सो फ्रेंड्स, नाउ वी मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 30. देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 30 को. हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग रूलर्स एडवाइज हिज सब्जेक्ट थ्रू हिज इंस्क्रिप्शन. whosoever praise his religious sect or blames other sect out of excessive devotion to his own sect with the view of glorifying his own sect, he rather injures his own sect very severely. इसके चारों ऑप्शन देखते हैं. ए अशोका, बी समुद्रगुप्त, सी हर्षवर्धन एंड डी कृष्णदेवराय. So friends, here the correct answer is option A, Ashoka. Now we move to the next question. Question number 31. 31 देखते हैं. With reference to the cultural history of India, which of the following is the correct description of the term parameters? Option A, the earliest Dharmashastra text written in aphoristic sutra style. B, philosophical schools that didn't accept the authority of Vedas. C, perfection whose attainment lead to the Buddhist path. D, powerful merchant guilds of early medieval South India. सो इसका जो आपका राइट आंसर है ये आपका ऑप्शन सी, फॉर परफेक्शन होज अटेनमेंट लीड टू दी बुद्धिस्ट पाथ. नाउ वी मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 32. इन द context of Indian history, the Rakambai case of 1884 revolve around A, statement women's right to gain education, 2, age of consent, 3, restitution of conjugal rights. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A, 1 and 2 only, option B, 2 and 3 only, option C, 1 and 3 only, and option D, 1, 2 and 3. So right answer of this question is option B, 2 and 3 only. Option B, 2 and 3 only. This is the right answer. Now we move to the next question. Question number 33. Indigo cultivation in India declined by beginning of the 20th century because of A, peasant resistance to the oppressive conduct of planters, B, its unprofitability in the world market because of new inventions, C, national leaders opposition to the cultivation of indigo, D, government control over the planters. Here the right answer is B, its unprofitability in the world market is unprofitability in the world market because of new inventions. Now we move to the next question. Question number 34. Wellesley established the Fort William College at Calcutta because A, he was asked by the board of directors at London to do so. He wanted to revive interest in Oriental learning in India. C, he wanted to provide William Carey and his associates with employment. D. He wanted to train British civilians for administrative purpose in India. So देखते हैं यहाँ का इस क्वेश्चन का राइट आंसर कौन सा है. The right answer of this question is D. He wanted to train British civilians for administrative purpose in India. ये जो आपका फोर्ट विलियम कॉलेज एट कोलकाता क्यों इस्टेब्लिश किया गया था. सो ही वांटेड टू ट्रेन ब्रिटिश सिविलियंस फॉर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव पर्पज इन इंडिया. ब्रिटिश सिविलियंस को ट्रेन करना चाहते थे एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव पर्पज के लिए. नाउ वी मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 35. विद द रेफरेंस टू द हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडिया, Ulgulan or the Great Tumult is the description of which of the following events? Statement A. The revolt of 1857. Option B. The Maffila rebellion of 1921. C. The Indigo revolt of 1859 to 60. And D. Birsa Munda's revolt of 1899 to 1900. So friends, the right answer of this question is D. Birsa Munda's revolt of 1899 to 1900. Now we move to the next question. Question number 36. With reference to the scholars or literatures of ancient India, consider the following statements. Statement 1. Panini is associated with Pushyamitra Shunga. 2. Amarasimha is associated with Harshavardhan. 3. Kalidas is associated with Chandragupta II or Chandragupta II. Which of the statement given above is correct? Option A 1 and 2 only, option B 2 and 3 only, option C 3 only, and option D 1, 2 and 3. The right answer of this question is option C. Three only. Kalidas is associated with Chandragupta II. These are 1 and 2 are the correct incorrect answer here. Now we move to the next question. Question 37. In the context of recent advances in human reproductive technology, pro-nuclear transfer is used for. Statement 1. A. Fertilization of eggs in vitro by the donor sperm. B. Genetic modification of sperm producing cells. C. Development of stem cells into functional embryos. D. Prevention of mitochondrial disease in offspring. The correct answer of this question is, this is the science and technology question, साइंस के क्वेश्चन है ये. सो इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो आपका ऑप्शन डी, प्रिवेंशन ऑफ माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल डिजीज इन ऑफस्प्रिंग्स. Now we move to the next question. Question number 38. With the present state of development, artificial intelligence can effectively do which of the following? Statement 1. bring down electricity consumption in industrial units. 2. Create meaningful short stories and songs. 3. Disease diagnosis. 4. Text to speech conversion. 5th. Wireless transmission of electrical energy. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A 1, 2, 3 and 5 only. Option B 1, 3 and 4 only. Option C 2, 4 and 5 only, and option D 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Correct answer of this question is option D, all of the above. That means 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we move to the next question. Question now 39. With reference to visible light communication VLC technology, which of the following statements are correct? VLC uses electromagnetic spectrum wavelengths 375 to 380 nm. VLC is known as long range optical wireless communication. Statement 3. VLC can transmit large amounts of data faster than Bluetooth. 4. VLC has no electromagnetic interference. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A 1, 2 and 3 only. Option B 1, 2 and 4 only. Option C 1, 3 and 4 only, and option D 2, 3 and 4 only. So friends, the right answer of this question is option C. Option C is the right answer of this question. 1, 3 and 4 only. 1, 3 and 4 only. Now we move to the next question. That means the last question of today's discussion. Question number 40. With reference to blockchain technology, consider the following statements. ये आपका साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी से क्वेश्चन है. ब्लॉकचेन टेक्नोलॉजी. Statement 1. It is a public ledger that everyone can inspect, but which no single user controls. Option B or option 2. Statement 2. The structure and design of blockchain is such that all the data in it are about cryptocurrency only. 3. Statement 3. Application that depend on basic features of blockchain technology. Blockchain can be developed without anybody's permission. Which of the statement given above is correct? Only one. A. Only one. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 2 only. And D. 1 and 3 only. So friends, correct answer of this question is 1 and 3 only. 1 and 3 only. 2 is the incorrect answer. So option E of this question, correct option of this question is D, 1 and 3 only. So friends, this is the today's discussion. आज के सेक्शन में हम लोग इतने ही पढ़ाई करेंगे और लास्ट जो वीडियो होंगे उसमें बाकी का हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे. जो नेक्स्ट जो वीडियो होंगे तो उसमें बाकी का हम लोग पढ़ाई करेंगे. और लास्ट डिस्कशन में ऑलरेडी वी हैव डिस्कस 20 question, and today we discuss 20 question. So 40 question already we have discussed, and now the remaining question we will discuss in our next video. So friends, keep on watching. आप लोग अपने प्रिपरेशन अच्छा से कीजिए. जो अभी हमारे पास जो सफिशिएंट टाइम है, तो इस टाइम को आप लोग यूटिलाइज कीजिए. वेस्टेज मत कीजिए. डोंट वेस्ट दिस टाइम. यूज दिस टाइम with best utilization with preparation. So friends, ये जो लास्ट ईयर का क्वेश्चन हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, इससे आप लोग का जो बेस है, डेट मीन्स इसका जो इस अपने अगर कोई पहले बार ये एग्ज़ाम देने जा रहा है तो उसको ये बहुत ही नेसेसरी है कि वो लास्ट ईयर और प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर को जरूर देखे, क्योंकि इससे जो उसका जो क्वेश्चन का एग्ज़ाम का जो नेचर है वो कैसा है, कौन सी एरिया से आपका क्वेश्चन ज़्यादातर आते हैं, कौन सी टॉपिक से कैसे क्वेश्चन आते हैं, तो ये आपको पूरा विजन आपको क्लियर कर देंगे. तो ये आपका जो बेस है ये स्ट्रॉन्ग करेंगे, वो आपको प्रिपरेशन में बहुत हेल्प करेंगे. सो फ्रेंड्स, आज की डिस्कशन में इतना ही. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. लाइक एंड शेयर द वीडियो and subscribe the video. Friends, आज के लिए इतना ही. हैव ए गुड डे.